Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do word by word captions in CapCut. So if you have a video with narrations and you want to add captions to it, word by word, here's what you need to do. First, just generate the captions using the auto captions in CapCut. Choose the language and also the sound source, and then after that click on start. Wait for CapCut to generate the auto captions. Okay, now it has been created and you can see the caption is currently appear in sentences like this. And if you want to make it word by word, click on one of the captions and find animation. Click on the captions tab and scroll down until you find word by word. So this is the pro user, the pro feature. So if you want to use it, you need to be on the CapCut Pro. Now just click on a check icon and you'll see your caption appear word by word. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click thanks. Bye.